Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, Power Apps are being used a lot nowadays by various organizations. So a very common requirement is if you have a set of checkboxes, okay, many checkboxes, like let's say you have a gallery where you are showing a lot of items uh, and users are supposed to check them. A very good requirement in this situation comes is like there should be a checkbox that's like gonna act as a super checkbox that when you check should check all the options. So how are you going to do that? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. Make sure you watch it till the end and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So this is an app, a very simple app where I have added a gallery, okay, and I have added an item. Okay, there's a gallery and there's a checkbox. This is checkbox 1 and it has gone to all the rows. This is checkbox 2. Now see, checkbox 2 is out of gallery. How it works here. If I check it, all get checked. If I uncheck, all get unchecked. But I can uncheck any of these. Okay. And I can also check this. So this is exactly what you need in these circumstances. How you are going to do. It's a very simple thing, guys. Very simple thing. For checkbox 1, set the default as checkbox 2 dot value. Okay. That's how simple it is, guys. You can always modify text and other things. But the very simple thing, like its default, should be checked to this. That's it. So the default of option is this checkbox value. That's it. And then it's going to work for you. So in this way, you can submit your items. Let me know, guys, what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.